So this is a jigsaw file that I've created from an online puzzle generator, and we're just going to see how well it cuts on the machine at 700 millimeters per second. There's the settings there. So let's see how it goes. There's the file all loaded up, if the camera will focus. No matter. We'll go right here and go. Machine's got a bit of a rock up, but can't quite see it, but I can. That's a bit normal. Hey, we can see it. Not focused. Yeah. There we go. So that wobbles the machine, not me. Yeah, it's steady up. This puzzle was done by an online generator called Wolfie's Puzzle Generator. WOLFIES Puzzle Generator. It's free, it's online. You just click Generate SVG and download it. Simple as that.